Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While launching the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game, you got an install multiplayer error. You are missing one or more COD Black Ops 7 multiplayer DLC packs. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have already launched the battle.net launcher, close it. Now you need to open the task manager. And in task manager, write in the search box, type in battle.net, and once you find it, right click and choose the option end task. This will properly close the battle.net launcher. After doing so, again go ahead and relaunch your battle.net launcher and try to play the game and check the issue has been fixed or not. If it is not, then in next step, again go to the games and select your COD game. Now click on this gear icon and you will find the option of modify install. Click on it. Now click on the option modify install, and now here first of all uncheck each and every option available right over here and then click on the option confirm. This will remove the Black Ops 7 multiplayer from your PC. After hitting the confirm, again once it is completed, go to its settings again and then only check mark the option Black Ops 7 beta or Black Ops 7 beta multiplayer. Rest must be unchecked. After doing so, click on the option confirm. This will go ahead and reinstall your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game and in turns fix out the issue for you. Although if this also failed, nextly again go to the gear icon and click on the option show in Explorer. Here open detail folder and manually delete some of the files present right over here. For example, select these files, right click and choose option delete. This will delete the files. After deleting the files, again go to the gear icon and choose the option scan and repair. This will re-download your deleted files and in turns hopefully fix out your issue. And if none of these methods help you fix out this particular issue, I highly recommend to use the Steam. Go ahead, open the Steam, go to the library and in the library search for Black Ops 7 and then hit the enter key. You will find the game, select the game and right over here you will find the option of play now. Click on the option play now and the game will be available right into your library and it will start to download automatically. One more thing you can do is to right click on the game, go to the properties, click on the DLC option and check mark this particular option only, Black Ops 7 open beta or Black Ops 7 multiplayer open beta. After doing so, the game is properly downloaded right onto the Steam and you will be able to play the game and the issue of DLC pack will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates on my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.